Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we've just got a bit of an update on the part out of the R50. So we obviously did the trading up video last time, and here under the cover are the remnants of the R50. So it's gone really well, so let's whip the cover off and show you what's left. Okay, so you can see behind me we've got the back end, so you can see all the rear bumpers gone, the lights, the aero spoiler, that's gone, the boot lid. There is a little bit of damage to it, so I'm just trying to work out whether I'd remove that and sell that on. Probably will be able to get something for it, so we'll get that off. We go inside and you can see there's no roof. Some roof has gone. 95% of the interior and the bits I can sell from the interior are now gone. So you can see all the way at that front end. Most of the dash, the dials, steering wheel, airbags, everything gone. So I need to get the dash top out, rear seat belts, speakers and a few little modules, and then that's everything done from the inside. If you look at the shell, so obviously all the doors have gone, wing mirrors, pretty much all of this that I'm talking through now is sold. So you can see we've got the subframe on the floor. I need to take a look at that and work out if there's anything we can salvage from that. You can see the gearbox has gone. So just here, if you come around to the front of the engine, so the gearbox has gone. So that was an R53 6-speed upgrade, which was a really nice bonus to find. So they're worth a good bit of money. So that's also been sold. Now the engine is potentially scrap because there's water and oil mixing in there somewhere, but that doesn't mean the whole thing is. So there's lots of parts on here that are used on the turbo conversions that people do on the R53. So the alternator and things like that. So I'm going to whip all those off and get them sold. The head I'm going to keep for a potential future first gen project because the head's the same as the R53. So I can take that out, get new valves or bigger valves and things and work done to the head that's on this. And it is raining, but we're going to carry on. So we'll be able to get some money out of this engine, even though there's potentially a couple of issues with it because there's lots of parts on it we can still sell. So the good thing about this shell is actually it's in really good condition. So you can see these rear light holding areas, they're actually rust free. So I'm actually going to chop those out if I don't sell the shell. So that's one thing to mention. If anyone knows of anyone that wants a shell, so this will be going super cheap. I've got just waiting on the V5 to turn up. And I'll be able to sell the remnants of this shell. So if anyone wants to build a track car, or looking for sort of a donor shell that's got a clean title, this one's pepper white and will be available soon. So give me a shout on social media if anyone knows of anyone that may be interested in the shell. So yeah, there's not much left to go to get this engine out. My dad's going to come around and help me just get the lift this out, just because I don't have an engine hoist, but we've got a way of doing it that should be pretty safe to do when there's two of us. So we'll give that a go. You can see from inside absolutely no roof, and there's all the dash gone. So was it worth doing? So I didn't pay a lot for this car, and having added up all the parts that I've sold so far, and there's still bits to go. So there's still the rear bumper, fuel pumps, all the stuff I've talked about in the engine and the interior that's still left on the car, sunroof and a few other bits. So I've pretty much tripled my money that I put into this to buy it. And what does that do? So that gives us a pot of cash to start looking for a first gen project. But while I'm doing that, I'm also probably going to buy another one. So if anyone's aware of any R50s or R53s that are modified in some sort of way, or have got a full aero kit or whatever, that the owners are looking, so if it's a non-runner, it's failed its MOT and you just want rid of the car, give me a shout and we'll see what we can do, maybe in terms of getting you some cash in your hand, and then I can deal with the parting out, because I know some people just don't have the time or the money to spend in doing that. So it's just a short video today, just a quick update on where we are with the part out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.